A rare example of the early taste for Japonism in the decorative arts of the 19th century, this dish is signed by the famous Bordeaux manufacturer Vieillard Cie. Dating from the 1870s, our piece is characterized by its great elegance and bright colors. The rounded shape of the fish was probably inspired by the decoration on a tsuba, the hilt of a Japanese sword. Koi carp are often associated with the Japanese sword, the entrance to the scabbard of which is known as the carp mouth. The sword represents power, while the koi carp illustrates courage and perseverance. An ancient Chinese tale recounts how the bravest koi carp managed to swim up the Yellow River and metamorphosed into dragons. Note the acid green, not often seen in Bordeaux earthenware. The use of such vibrant colors could reveal the influence of Christopher Dresser, the famous English designer of the Victorian era. To date, only one other comparable dish is known. It is in a private collection, but its colors are different. Works by Vieillard Cie are kept in prestigious national institutions such as the Musée d'Orsay and the Musée des Arts Décoratifs in Paris. They are always exceptional pieces of unrivaled quality.